I took a stroll down the old long walk on the day I met a little girl and we stopped to talk on a grand soft day. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? Because her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl down to Salt Hill Prom with the Galway girl. The rain came down on the day and she took me up to a flat downtown on a grand soft day. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? Because her hair was black and her eyes were blue. So I took her hand and I gave it a twirl, and then I lost my heart to a Galway girl. Hey!